Hello everyone, this is Kathir. Today I'm going to talk about design thinking process and how it helps your product development. Hey, design thinking is an ideology supported by process. This hands-on user-centric approach is defined by the design thinking process, which follows an overall flow of understand the user, explore the problem and bringing the solution, then materializing that solution into end user's life. The design thinking ideology asserts that a hands-on user-centric approach for problem solving can lead to innovation and innovation can lead to competitive advantage. The process of 6 distinct phases are empathize, define, ideate, prototype, test and implement. The first phase of the design thinking is empathize. In this phase, we conduct user research in order to develop knowledge about what users do, say, think and feel. Example, you are going to develop an e-commerce website. You need to talk range of actual users who buys online. Directly observe what they do or what they think, what they want. What motivates or discourages the users, or where do they experience frustration? So when using existing product or competitor product. So the goal is to understand users' needs and feedback, their own perspective. The next phase in the define, we combine all your user research and observed data, what you gather in empathize phase. Find where your user's problem exists, where they struggle when buying products, what they need to accomplish their task more efficiently. In pinpointing users' needs, it highlights opportunities for innovation. Organize all your observations and draw parallels across your user interaction throughout the time span. You can create a customer journey map in which we can map user thinking, feeling, needs and feedback, which will bring opportunities for innovation. We need to find is there a common pain point across many different users or unmet users' needs. Next, in the ideation phase, we brainstorm range of crazy and creative ideas that address the unmet users' needs, identified in the defined space. Bring your team members together and sketch up many different ideas, then have them share ideas with one another to improve your ideas more. No idea is bad at this phase. You have to gather many ideas in this phase so that we can validate those ideas which will fit or which don't for users' needs in upcoming phases. The next phase is the prototype. We create a real and tactile representation of subset of your ideas. The goal of this phase is to understand what components our ideas work and which don't by putting into real design. In this phase, you begin to weigh the impact of feasibility of your ideas through feedback on your prototype. Change your design based on the feedback, iterate the prototype as much need, then share it with another group of people to note feedback. You may conduct A/B testing to get different feedback on 2 parallel design. We can combine the design later based on the feedback. The next phase is the test. In this phase, we need to return our real users for feedback. Ask yourself, does the solution meet users' needs and is it improved how they feel, think or do the tasks? Put your prototype in front of real users and verify that it achieves your goals. As you are executing your vision, continue to test along the way. The next and the last phase is implement. It is very crucial phase, putting vision into the effect. Ensure that your solution is materialized and touches the lives of your end users. This is the pretty important part of the design thinking. It's about taking an idea in your head and transforming that idea into something real. And that's always going to be a long and a difficult process. The true innovation if the vision is executed. The success of design thinking lies in its ability to transform an aspect of the end user's life. The key advantage of the design thinking is it is a user-centered process that starts with the user data. It encourages innovation by exploring multiple ideas for the same problem. It leverages shared language and buy-in amongst your team members. Creates design artifacts that address the real user's needs, and we validate those artifacts with the real users. Then we will implement user-centered design into development to reach the end user's life. I hope you have learned something about user-centered process design thinking. Thanks for watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel here for upcoming videos. I will see you in next video.